smaller? Summer?
You mean the smaller pieces?
The smaller model.
1/2.
Okay, so this is a smaller model. Yes, it says 1/2, this says 2/4. But Josh was explaining, go ahead and explain what you were.
Would you rather have 1/4 of a small candy bar or 2/4 of a big candy bar?
So the sizes of my model matter. So in order to have equivalent fractions, what do my models have to be?
Equal?
My models have to be equal too. Let's go back to this picture real quick. What do you notice about the models of these? The circles, Zach?
They're equal.
They're equal. They're the same size. They take out amount of the space, the same amount of space. Okay, the area is the same. This area, though, when I look at this candy bar, if that's what we want to talk about in this candy bar, this one's a bigger piece, okay, or a bigger model. Takes up more area. Okay, so you all were right. These are not equivalent fractions. Good job. Okay. I'm going to pass out to you some fraction strips. I'm going to pass out to you just a pile of them. Each person at your table needs 4 of them. Do not fold them, do not touch them, anything yet. You just need to have 4 of them. You want to pass out the wood? You might have some extra, especially if you have someone absent at your table.
I need extra.
Okay, take one of your fraction strips, please, and fold it in half. How many equal parts did you make?
2 halves.
2
1/2.
equal parts, so each part is worth
1/2.
1/2. With your pencil, will you label each part 1/2? You also have a crayon on your desk. Will you please color 1/2 of your strip that you just folded?
Coloring lightly.
Yes, sir.
Does it have to be neat?
You can just do it quickly, that's fine. When you're done with that, put your crayon up so I know that you are ready to move on. Take another one of your fraction strips, please, and fold it into fourths. What would be an easy way for me to fold this fraction into 4 equal parts? Yes, Tanner?
Fold it once,
Okay.
and then fold it another time.
Okay, so fold it in half and then do what again?
Fold it again.
Fold it in half again. Does anyone know why I can do that? Why can I do it in halves and then half again to make fourths? Yes, Parker?
So, because if you have it, since this is kind of like 2 strips right here,
Mm-hmm.
you cut it, but if you fold it again,
Okay. What's the denominator when I do fourths, Bo?
Denominator is 4.
What do you notice about 2 when I have halves? My denominator is 2 and my denominator in fourths is 4. What do you notice about those 2 numbers?
They're-
Cindy? They're both even?
they're both the double of each other.
Okay, so 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, so each one of these is worth how much?
1/4.
Okay, please label that.
1/4 on each one.
Yes, sir. If you want to draw with your pencil as well, a line where your folds are, it might be a little easier to see. You do not have to color anything with this right now. Okay, take another piece of paper, please, and we're going to fold this one into 8s.
Oh my word. This is the double of 4, okay.
Okay, so double of 4, what's that mean, Parker? What can I do?
You can half the fourths.
Okay, so I could half the fourth. So you know we did half. Then how did we make fourths? We halved it again. So how can I make 8s? Half it again. Good job. Let's see.
Alright.
So half it again. So now you made fourths. What's 4 plus 4? It's okay. Half it one more time, and you should have these. Okay, so each one of these is worth how much? 1/8. Please label it. What are you noticing about the size of my fractions as I fold it more? What are you noticing about the size, Chase?
I doubled it.
Okay, so my denominator might double. Chase, look up here real quick. I know you're writing. What do you notice about these sizes compared to these sizes of the fraction pieces?
They get smaller and smaller every time.
Oh, I noticed something.
What do you notice?
So two folds is gonna be kind of like that, and then 4 8.
Okay.
They're all clicking.
Okay. Yes, ma'am?
Each one we do, it goes by twos, like how it's one half of it, and then it's 1/4, and then 1/8. But how 2, 4, 8, how you count by twos, it counts by twos.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to change it a little bit. So I want you now to take this one. This one's going to be a little bit trickier, so I want you to listen before you start folding. You're going to start folding this into 6.
Oh my
Okay?
word.
Real quickly, hold on. How could I, instead of sitting there trying to fold 6 equal parts, what would be an easier way for me to fold this into 6? Yes, Ashley?
We can fold it into thirds and then do the thirds then.
Okay, yes ma'am?
fold it in half,
Okay.
and then you take this and you put it into the middle like this, and you take the other one and put it into the middle like that.
Okay. Let's explore, okay? And I have extra if we need to use these too. So Addison said fold it in half first. And then she opened up her fraction bar and folded each flap and met it in the middle. Anyone?
I think I just made one. 1, 2, 3. That's 4.
So did this work?
No.
Okay, maybe not. Why do you think maybe that didn't work?
Because we have.
Okay, maybe because we halved it first. Okay, so when I opened it up, I noticed I had 4 equal parts because of that half mark. Okay, that's okay. Yes. Okay, Joshua is going to show us how he did his.
Well, the only reason I made 6 was because I know how to make thirds first. I fold one up, I fold a flap to the middle.
To exactly the middle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, not, it doesn't have to be exact. And then I fold the other side, not to the middle, but on top of the other one.
Okay.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And that makes thirds, and then fold it again.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, I get that now.
He folded his a little bit past the middle, the first flap, and then he took that second flap and folded it on top of the other one.
And so when you open it up, you get 6.
Why does that work that I can go from third to sixth? John?
Because you fold in half, so you just double it.
Okay, so I'm doubling thirds. Okay, so again, fold your thirds. I can help with the thirds, or someone at your table can help. And then take each one of those thirds and fold it in half.
I got it.
Oh, no.
I didn't know.
Got you, get your scissors.
If you have this, it's going to be there. Miss Mary, if we have this would be 12. Hey, now we finished it. Look, 2, 4, 6, 8. Well, you gotta make it 10.
Thirds I know are a little bit larger.
So you're going right here.